Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know a lot of you have waited for me to make a YouTube channel. I'm finally doing it. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Makiage foundation. Just arrived in the post today. With this foundation, you take a quiz. We'll ask you questions about your skin type, whether you're oily, you're dry, you're like a combination skin. We'll also ask you about like your undertone. I know lots of girls have had problems where they go to the shops, the makeup artist will put on foundation, it will look completely like your color, but when you come home you look too pink, you look too orange. So this is what it looks like. It's like a little box. If you open it up, it gives you little instructions on how it works. It has a little card that tells you how to blend out your foundation, the do's and don'ts. Packaging is really cute. This is what the foundation box looks like. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's 30 ml. This is actually a full bottle, so it's not a tester. You do get to try it out for like 14 days and you can return it if you don't like it. After 14 days, if you keep it, they'll charge you the full price, which I think is like $45. I don't know how much that is in pounds. So I just calculated it, so that is like £35. You do pay for postage. It ships all the way from America. You pay like £5 postage. It's like £40. That's like normal for a foundation. So with the quiz, it'll ask you what kind of coverage you like, medium to full, natural coverage, and if you want it exactly your skin tone or a bit lighter or a bit darker. It will literally give you the foundation that suits you. So it's meant to smoothen and even the skin, minimize the appearance of pores and shadows, enhance your complexion, creating a flawless finish. We're going to be reviewing whether that ticks all the boxes. So I'm going to get my foundation brush. That's what it looks like on my skin. Not really sure. It kind of looks like my NARS foundation. Let's hope that it actually is my colour. The consistency is quite nice. It's not too thick and it's not too liquidy like some foundations. I'm just gonna blend it out with my brush. I asked for full coverage. Let's hope that I can get the coverage that I want, because I kind of have like a lot of scars on my face. So as you can see on my hand, it's kind of oxidized a bit. It looks a bit dark. I'm gonna like put on the rest of my makeup and see what it looks like after. Okay, so I've done all my makeup. It actually looks really good. I just read the little card that came with the box and it said not to compare it to your hand or to your neck. So just because it's dark here doesn't mean it's going to be dark on my face. I actually kind of like it. I kind of prefer my NARS foundation only because it covers my scars really well, and I just literally have to like put on 2 pumps and it's already covered on my whole face. With this, it's not going to give you the coverage if you want it to be like kind of like full coverage. I had to put quite a lot of pumps on like where my cheeks were so it could cover like my scars, and even then you can still kind of see it. I'm gonna add some pictures in the end to show you guys what it looks like with any like flash, or like what it looks like when you're taking pictures. So with the flash, there was no flashback. It actually looked like it was my colour. So I took some in like a natural lighting with my room. It wasn't that bad. I didn't look pale. It looked like it was my colour. So with my final review, it did get my colour right. Don't compare it to your hand. Your hand and your face aren't the same colour. So I think they pretty much got my shade right from a quiz. Like, I didn't even go into a shop and try it on my face. So I think that's really cool. Also, the blendability of it is very good. It's not too thick and it's not too runny. Literally, I can't even feel it on my face. Like, it doesn't feel cakey. With the price, it's £35 and you pay £5 postage. So that's £40. That's not bad considering it's kind of like a high-end product. People pay £35-39 for products like NARS. So what's the difference? I don't know if it's worth the price. Kind of feels like a normal foundation to me. It is very good and blendable. Because I can't go out because of this whole like lockdown thing, I can't really like show you guys whether it's like durable and how long it lasts. I just want to see like the effect of it. It's like really nice. It's quite a nice foundation, I like it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm happy with my NARS. Then again, with my NARS foundation, I mixed 2 different shades to get the shade that I want. So I'm kind of debating whether I will keep it. Let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was my first time filming a YouTube video. I don't really know how this all like works and stuff. Don't mind the editing, I'm still new. I'll be doing more reviews on makeup products. I'll be doing hauls, little try on. But yeah, stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.